For this TikTok Thursday, we'll be making a sesame ginger chicken salad. First, we're going to start by making the sesame ginger dressing. You're going to need a neutral oil. I use grapeseed oil, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, honey, soy sauce, grated ginger, grated garlic cloves, and toasted sesame seeds. Then you just give it a shake and you're done. Now we're just going to set that aside while we make our salad. So you're going to need some shredded cabbage, romaine lettuce, chicken, but in this case I use seitan, radishes, quinoa, avocado, wonton strips, and some sliced almonds. Now just pour the dressing over it. I used about half. You may need more or you may need less. Just pour it to your taste and just give it a toss. The flavors, the textures, and how satisfying it was made this one of the best salads I've ever eaten. I'll leave the links to the recipes in the description down below. I highly recommend you try this recipe. I hope to see you next TikTok Thursday. Bye!